Hello, Zin.
Hello.
Say hello, teacher.
Hello, teacher.
Very good. So, ready to learn English with me?
With me?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes, you say, I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Very good. Now, sit nicely, please. Put your hands on the table, like this.
It's like
Okay, very good. Now, today we are going to learn about the farm animals. Now, what animals do you see? The first, what is it? It's a mouse.
it's a
Very good. What does a mouse say? Next, what is it? What is it? It's
cat. It's a cat.
what does a cat say?
Meow.
Very good. And next, what is it?
Go go.
What is it?
Dog.
It's a dog.
It's a dog.
What does a dog say?
Go go go.
Good job. And next, what is it?
It's a
It's a hen.
hen.
It's a hen.
It's a hen.
This one,
It's a dog.
what does a duck say?
Quack quack quack.
Good job. And next, this one. What is it?
A cow.
It's a cow. Okay. So the cow says,
Whoa.
oh, very good. And next, what animal is it?
Horse.
It's
A horse.
It's a horse. Next,
Nice.
it's a
Big.
pig. Pig.
Fake.
Pig.
Fake.
It's a pig.
It is fake.
Very good. So, what animals do you like?
And it.
You like mouse? Oh, you say,
Meow.
I like mouse. I like mouse. See now.
I like mouse.
Very good. Do you like cats? Do you like cats?
Yeah.
Yes?
I do.
Good job. Do you like horses?
It. I do.
Do you like dogs?
Yeah. I do.
Do you like ducks?
I do. It I do.
Yes, I do.
It I do.
Very good. Okay, now show me your hands. Listen to me. I say the words and you tap to the correct picture. Okay? Now, ready?
Sure.
1, 2, 3, let's go. Dog,
Dog.
dog. Tap dog. Horse, horse.
Horse.
Cat, cat. Pig, hen, cow. Where's a mouse? Where's a duck? Very good. Have fun with me. Thank you.